What does your voice sound like? Learning to describe your voice. Hello, my creative professional family. We're artists. We're making that living online. We're making art in our communities. Hi, I'm Caroline Cole. Welcome to the business of storytelling, my friends. Today we're talking about, surprise, your voice. As a voiceover artist, you've got to understand your instrument inside and out. You should have a demo, obviously, or 2 or 3, or even more than that, ideally. All of those are going to show off your skills. And you also need to know how to describe your voice in words accurately so you can find and submit for auditions that are best for you. There are some sites like Voquent where you tag your samples with words like friendly, happy, energetic, authoritative, etc., etc. And then there are some other sites like voice.com that tag their auditions with these same types of words. So it's pretty important to know where your voice fits in all of those descriptive words, because let's be honest, you don't actually have time to submit for every audition. So your best strategy is to submit to the ones that are looking for your voice, or a voice like yours, already. So first, you gotta be honest about how your own voice really sounds. And if you have a lower register, for example, like me, I wouldn't label my voice as bubbly. If you have a naturally higher pitched voice, then don't call yourself gravelly or authoritative. No descriptive word is bad or better or worse than another, just as no voice is better or worse than another. Your voice is just better suited for some work than other work. Should they cast me as a preteen lead in a new anime series? No, I don't sound like a preteen, and I don't have that in my register. But should I read your nonfiction audiobook? Yeah, I'd be a great candidate for that. And knowing that about my voice helps me use my time trolling for auditions really well and much more efficiently. And I can describe my voice accurately. For example, some words that I use to describe my own voice are friendly, informative, crisp, and calm. Now let's think about you. What words should you use? Well, that's the great news, friends. I've got a goodie for you, a goodie, a freebie, a goodie for you. It is over 100 words to describe the voice, and it is available for free to download. So all you gotta do is go below and click or type into your browser above, carolinecolestories.com/freebies, and you're just like 2 clicks away from getting this free and super helpful PDF. Because describing your voice accurately is one of the most efficient ways you can access the right auditions for you. This will ensure that you're using your time well, your time efficiently behind the mic when you're submitting for jobs. So if you haven't already while I've been talking, go ahead and go to carolinecolestories.com/freebies to get it right now. Go right now. And while you're doing that, I just want to give you a quick thank you for being here, for tuning into the business of storytelling. I'm Caroline Cole. I love that you guys are here each week, and I send weekly emails out to my private email list, so make sure that you're also getting on that email list when you grab your free download. You can also follow me on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories, and you can like, comment, subscribe, and comment below. I love getting to know you all. Slide into my DMs and ask me some questions. It's the best. You all are the best, and the internet is the best. And I'll see you soon. Bye.